We outside. It's a beautiful day in the city.
Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up in this video, I will be giving you an update as to what is going on with Jamaican dancehall queen Spice. So guys, if you have been following social media, you would know by now that Spice has not been doing well. It has been alleged that Spice is currently having serious complications after getting a BBL. For those who do not know what a BBL is, it is actually a Brazilian butt lift. It's basically enhancing your body features, for example, your hips, your breasts, and so on. Spice was last seen on social media on October 17th, where she was basically informing fans that she was leaving social media because she felt targeted on there. Basically, she's saying that persons were making videos to, provoke her and stuff like that. To be exact, she said, "I'll be off Instagram for a while. I'm tired of being their only target for clout and clickbaits. Let's see if they're still gonna talk about only me. Every morning I wake up to something else." She then wished everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And she also reminded fans to support her new album, Emancipated. Little did we know that dancehall queen would have run into so much issues afterwards. And, no one expected that the dancehall queen would run into these kind of issues after leaving social media. And I personally am very sorry to hear about it, and I hope she recovers soon. Based on reports from various media houses, especially Jamaican media houses, Spice allegedly may have had an heart attack, and she's currently recovering. Fans were very happy to hear that she is pulling through, and I personally hope Spice will get better soon because dancehall won't be the same without a Spice. So we really need her out there. I won't keep you guys much longer, but I just want you to know that a lot of persons are out there praying and hoping for Spice to recover. I hope you guys can do so as well. I'm sure Spice would appreciate it. You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.